CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Thursday, January 21st, 2010. CDTV.net covers dividend-paying stocks earnings reports, dividend announcements, and company profiles. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. The Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated reported diluted earnings per common share were $8.20 compared with a diluted loss per common share of $4.97 for the fourth quarter ended November 28, 2008. Analyst average estimates were $5.20. Goldman Sachs beats by $3. Fourth quarter net revenues were $9.6 billion and net earnings were $4.9 billion. The Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, provides various investment banking, securities, and investment management services to corporations, financial institutions, governments, and high-net-worth individuals worldwide. Freeport-McMoRan Copper and Gold Incorporated reported net income of $2.15 per share compared with a net loss of $36.78 per share. Analyst average estimates were $1.73. Freeport-McMoRan beats by 42 cents. Fourth quarter 2009 net income attributable to common stock of $971 million compared with a net loss of $13.9 billion last year. Freeport-McMoRan Copper and Gold Incorporated engages in the exploration, mining, and production of mineral resources. And now, the dividend report. The Board of Directors of National Retail Properties Incorporated declared a quarterly dividend of 37.5 cents per share. The dividend is payable on February 15 to common shareholders of record on January 29, 2010. National Retail Properties Incorporated is a publicly owned equity real estate investment trust. Directors of A.O. Smith Corporation declared a regular quarterly cash dividend of 19.5 cents per share. The dividend is payable on February 16 to shareholders of record on January 29, 2010. A.O. Smith Corporation engages in the manufacture and sale of water heating equipment and electric motors for residential, commercial, and industrial end markets primarily in the United States, Mexico, China, and Canada. The Board of Directors of Eaton Vance Corporation declared a quarterly dividend of 16 cents per share payable February 12 to shareholders of record on January 29, 2010. Eaton Vance Corporation, through its subsidiaries, engages in the creation, marketing, and management of investment funds in the United States. Southern Company announced a regular quarterly dividend of 43.75 cents per share in the company's common stock, payable March 6 to shareholders of record on February 1, 2010. Southern Company, together with its subsidiaries, operates as an energy company serving across the southeastern United States. Hasbro Incorporated announced that its board of directors has declared a quarterly cash dividend of 20 cents per common share. The dividend will be payable on February 16 to shareholders of record at the close of business on February 2, 2010. Hasbro Incorporated engages in the design, manufacture, and marketing of games and toys. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.